guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Sephora VIB sale recommendation so that you guys can go ahead and kind of get some ideas and maybe add some things to your wish list. So if you want to continue watching and see what is on my Sephora sale recommendations for fall 2021, then please go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the sale, you guys know, always goes in tiers. So it first starts off for the VIB Rouges. It begins this Friday, November 5th, and it ends November 15th. So you get quite some time to do your shopping. Then it starts for the VIB November 9th through November the 15th. And then for just the regular Media Insiders, it starts November 11th through November 15th. So the VIB Rouges get 20% off, the VIBs get 15% off, and then the Insiders get 10% off. And then they're also doing 30% off on all Sephora collection, and you can shop the sale online or in store if you guys want to. So I'm gonna run through some of the products that are new that I have been loving. I don't wanna be too repetitive, so there may be things that I love, but I've mentioned in previous years that I won't mention. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with skincare, and then I'm gonna do makeup, and then I'm gonna do hair care. So the first skincare item, and the only one I have, is the Youth to the People brand. This brand is absolutely phenomenal. They have such amazing products, and I have been really obsessed with their Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Cleanser. This stuff is so nice on my skin. I have very sensitive skin, and it just does a really good job of not drying out my skin after I wash my face. I love the fact that the ingredients in here are all antioxidants, which is really good for the skin. It helps unclog pores. It's just very lightweight. It's a vegan product. It's cruelty-free. And this is best for all different types of skin, in case you're wondering. It just has a really rich jelly consistency that is just so lightweight and melts right into the skin. So I highly recommend this. I like the fact that it comes with a pump, so I can just quickly apply that on my hand and then apply it all over my face. This is glass, so that's the only thing that I get worried. I'm like, please don't break. It just really makes the skin look and feel its best, and it really does help with any type of pores or just blemishes. It just makes the skin look super bright and just hydrated and not dry out. So yeah, highly recommend this one. And Youth to the People also has other excellent products. I am going to be trying out their mask. They have like this pore mask that I have that I'm really excited to try out because I am all about that, because who doesn't love a good skincare moment? But now we're gonna move on to makeup. I only have one skincare product, and that's literally what I've been using religiously. So I'm like, I need to restock, and you guys can see like I'm literally halfway done with this bottle, and I just had to recommend this cleanser because I've seen so many people talk about this, but I just never jumped on the bandwagon until recently, and I'm like, okay, this is definitely worth your cash. Oh wait, I have one more product for skincare. I almost forgot. So this right here is Summer Fridays, a skincare brand, and they have really good skincare products. There's actually some new products from the brand that I plan on picking up from the Sephora sale that I've never tried that I want to try because I've heard such amazing things about them. One of them is the oil and also the lip trio because I just love tinted lip balms. This Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cleanser is absolutely beautiful. I wear this all the time under my makeup. It just performs really well. It's a nice rich gel consistency, so it really melts into the skin so easily. It has no scent in it, and it just works really well. And like I said, sometimes with some moisturizers, they can just be too thick and heavy, and they just kind of like sit on top of the skin, or sometimes they make certain areas of the face kind of like separate, like any type of dryness or any dry patches you may have. This does not do that at all. It's just such a beautiful consistency. This is my second one, and I'm like, I think I need to get another one because I can get it on sale. So yeah, it's just a very lightweight consistency. I've mentioned this many times, and I still stand behind it because it's really good. Okay, so now we're gonna be moving on to some makeup products. Start off with complexion first, and the first one, of course, is this Tower 28 Tinted Sunscreen. This stuff is so good. So it's like a sunscreen that has a tint to it so that you don't need to go into foundation or tinted moisturizer. Like, it's literally a sunscreen that just gives you the full package in one. Safe for sensitive skin, vegan, cruelty-free, won't cause breakouts. This one is in the shade Ocean Park. This is a mineral sunscreen. It's alcohol-free and reef-free. Now, I will say this is a very natural, everyday makeup product. This isn't for the person who wants full glam, who wants something matte. This is not that. This literally will make your skin look like skin, like that radiance from within. So if you're not looking for that, then you may not like this. I highly recommend this to anybody who just loves a very natural light makeup day, because you have all the things you need in here. Okay, so the next product is another skin tint. I have been loving these skin tints. This is the Beauty Blender skin tint. This stuff is so nice. Very wearable. It gives you great pigmentation. You can get that nice, almost foundation-like finish. It sets like skin, so you can always go in with some type of powder to set it if you do have oily skin, and it works phenomenal with it. It is really a nice skin tint if you're looking for something high-end that's going to deliver the pigmentation, but also give you just a beautiful finish and wear really nicely through the day. You're going to enjoy this product, and it does come with a dropper, in case you're wondering, so you can really have full access to customizing this exactly how you would want it to look on your skin. Okay, so now I have here the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. This stuff is really, really good. I did a review on this and I was super impressed with how it worked with my oily skin. It really does help keep your skin oils to the minimum, and not only that, it is a waterproof product. I don't know if you guys have seen like the viral TikToks of how like people dump water and their makeup still looks perfectly intact. Like this really does a beautiful job of keeping everything so nice and intact. I do have the mini, but now that the sale is here, I'm definitely picking up the large size, but I feel like the mini is always great because if I go anywhere, I can just throw it in my bag and vamonos, you know? So this is just really nice, and I highly recommend this guy. Like I said, if you don't want to purchase the full size, you can always get the small size, but that's what the Sephora sale is here for, so that you can just purchase the largest size and you're good to go. The next product that I have here is the Dior blush. This one is the viral Dior blush that everybody was talking about for a while. And I would say if you haven't purchased this and you've been eyeing it, this is the time to purchase it, and it's probably gonna sell fast because I'm sure there's a lot of people who didn't want to purchase it then because it was too expensive, but they knew that during the sale they would definitely purchase it. I think it's a really pretty blush. It's adjusting to your skin tone. So once you apply it on, it's gonna look different on everybody else. On somebody it may look completely different, but it's a really pretty color. I know it looks a little bright, but it honestly sits on skin really nice, and I feel like this is the perfect blush tone for the winter. I would say this is the time to get it. This was in the shade pink. They also have an orangey shade, which apparently is also very beautiful, so I haven't picked that one up. I just picked this one up. I may pick that one up as well during the sale. I don't know yet, because I do have a lot of things on my wish list that I want to buy, so we'll have to see, but I think that this is the time to purchase this if you've had your eye nut. It is really good. I've heard amazing things about their lip oils. I've seen them all over TikTok, and I still haven't purchased one just because I'm like, do I really need that $36 lip oil when I can get a lip oil for like half the price? We shall see. But maybe Sephora sale, I feel like that's when it can really get you to, you know, spend some coins. One more thing I want to talk about that I really liked how it did on my lashes is the Item Beauty Lash Snack Mascara. This stuff is so good for those bottom lashes because it is so small and precise that it really coats every single one of those lashes without it giving you those spider lashes at the bottom of your lashes or clumping them up. It just really does a good job of separating them. You guys can see right here, I have it on, and it just really did the trick for me. And I don't wear mascara on my top lashes because I have lash extensions. You can't wear mascara with lash extensions, FYI. So I always am looking for a mascara that has a really small wand that can really get these bottom lashes to, you know, kind of match what we have going on the top. Okay, so now that is it for makeup. Literally kept it short and sweet, just things that I've had on rotation. I have to admit, a lot of the makeup that I have been purchasing lately is drugstore, and drugstore just really is doing so great with their launches, such good quality that I'm like not really that intrigued to go into, you know, these high-end stores lately. And I just can't even imagine what they're gonna do in 2022, the drugstore brands, because they're already really stepping it up so many notches. Okay, so let's move on to hair, our final step. I'm gonna be talking about one brand and one brand only because this is the brand that I'm obsessed with. You guys know I am a huge fan of Ouai. I talk about them all the time. They are owned by celebrity hairstylist Jen Akin. I have this Ouai Curl Cream. So I have very wavy hair. It's very, very surprising for me to ever get it this smooth. I actually got a blowout this weekend and I had to re-blow dry it today because I did work out this morning. So it looks pretty smooth, smoother than how it usually looks because usually it gets frizzy easily. But Ouai whenever I want to do a just very natural hair day when I just leave it wavy. And I just apply some of this curl cream and it literally leaves my waves looking so nice. Some parts of my hair, like the bottom parts, like they actually get curly. So this has been so good on my hair. This has such a gorgeous scent, which I love scents in my hair products personally because I feel like the area where scents last longest is your hair. So it really kind of stays on there. And let's say sometimes I forget to wear perfume or something, this is kind of like that perfume cover because it really has my hair smelling so good all day long. So I love this curl cream. They also have one that's unscented in case you guys don't care for the scent. This is also really great for super curly hair, all different types of, like, from waves to curls. Like, it just really does the trick and it really keeps your curls and waves looking really nice the entire day. It doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't feel like you have a lot of product in. A little bit of this goes a long way to really define those curls and waves. So I highly recommend this. This one I started using this year. The beginning of this year is when I started to really look into MORPHE products because I love their conditioner. It's my absolute favorite. I always repurchase that. I'm repurchasing another one during the sale. The leave-in conditioner, guys, if you haven't tried this leave-in conditioner, you have to. It's amazing. I've gone through like 3 or 4 of these. Like, I'm always almost done. That's another thing I need to purchase during the sale is one of these because it's just so good. I use it literally every single day or every day that I wash my hair. Great stuff. But this one is definitely a newer discovery. Another newer discovery for this year is the Ouai Thick Cream Hair Mask. So I like to use this hair mask when I'm almost done too, like you guys can see. And it just, oh, it smells so good. I like to use this once a week or sometimes twice a week, but mainly once a week, usually on a Thursday morning because I film the entire day and I like to have my hair styled. So like I'll go in and blow dry it. I like it to be really smooth. And I feel like using this thick hair mask really gives my hair that nourishment and helps kind of smooth anything out that may get frizzy on days where I don't use this. And I do notice that because one day I forgot to use this before I was gonna go ahead and blow out my hair. And I noticed the difference immediately. I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair is very hard right now to work with. And I have very thick hair and I have a lot of hair. So for me, I need products that are gonna help me not frizz up so easily, especially when I do style out my hair. And I found that this Ouai Thick Hair Mask is phenomenal. They have other hair masks as well. They have one for fine hair and then also medium hair. So don't think that it's just for thick hair. They have different ones. And this is another item that I definitely will be repurchasing. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today for my Sephora sale recommendations. I wanted to keep it super short and sweet. Like I just mentioned, I have been really into my drugstore finds and I haven't really purchased too much from Sephora this year, but I know that there's been a lot of new at Sephora lately, so I'm definitely gonna have a really nice Sephora sale haul coming as soon as I do my shopping because there's so many new products that I do want to try out, but I'm like, I need a deal, like I need a sale with this. So I'm excited to use my 20% off to pick up some great find. Let me know if you guys are gonna be shopping the Sephora sale. If you guys are gonna be shopping the Sephora sale, I would love to know what you guys recommend me checking out. What are things that you're gonna be repurchasing? What are things that you have your eye on? I really want to know because I definitely want to try out more new things. I feel like I haven't really shopped too much at Sephora unless it's me shopping for like makeup products to review for you guys. So I really want to just get on it so that I can go ahead and bring you guys a really nice haul and also find some really good things for me to try out that I haven't tried out yet. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's me to continue doing these type of videos for you guys. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.